Dear students, now we have to discuss about the chemical properties of metals. That the first one is reaction between metals and air, means how the metals react with the air. Already we know the rusting of the iron and some of the copper utensils exposed to the moisture or the air, means they will going to change the color. These all are the examples for the reaction of metals with the air. In your textbook what they are given means when metals combine with oxygen form metal oxides. Any type of the metals reacted with the oxygen, means exposed to the air, means forms the metal oxides. Reaction afterwards form the metal oxide. How, like we will going to write metal plus oxygen gives rise to metal oxide. And I will take the one example now, that is copper. I taken the example copper. Copper reacting with the oxygen forms the copper oxide. Like this, different forms of the copper oxide, how like form, no, like that different forms of the metal oxides will going to form. Next, some metal oxides shows acidic and basic nature. Some of the metal oxide they will going to show the acidic and the basic nature. Example, aluminium oxide and zinc oxide. Very important for your examination. For 1 mark, give one example which shows the which metal oxide shows the acidic and basic nature. If they are asked, means you have to write the any one, aluminium oxide or zinc oxide. Already I told some of the metal oxides shows the acidic and basic nature, like that. So this is the best example for the which shows the basic and acidic nature, the type of the metallic oxide. And these metal oxides, means which are showing the acidic and basic nature, these metal oxides react with the both acids and the bases, called amphoteric oxides. Very important for your examination. The metal oxides which shows the acidic and basic nature, they are reacting with the both the acids and the bases. These type of the metal oxides are called amphoteric oxides. Example already was written. Al2O3 means aluminium oxide reacting with the hydrochloric acid forms the aluminium trichloride plus water. And aluminium oxide plus 2NaOH means sodium hydroxide gives rise to sodium aluminate plus water. Next, the metal oxides mostly insoluble, but some are dissolved in the water. Not all, some are dissolved in the water. Which are those? Means Na2O, sodium oxide, dissolves in the water from the sodium hydroxide. And all metals not react with the oxygen. How, like some of the metals, here the aluminium reacted with the oxygen, and copper, recently copper also reacted with the oxygen. Like that, all the metals are not reacting with the oxygen. Some metals are vigorously catch the fire. Example, sodium. Already we have studied this one in the 8th standard in old syllabus. The sodium when react with the water or the oxygen, they will going to catch the fire. At ordinary temperature, some surfaces of the metals covered with the thin layer of the oxides. Some of the metals are there, no, their surfaces are covered with the thin layer of some of the oxides, and these all are the some of the chemical properties of the metals.